Define feminism and the feminist activities in South Asia.
Very simple definition of feminism. Feminist. Anyone who recognizes that women are discriminated against at home, at the place of work and in society, and who takes action against this discrimination is a feminist. So feminism is an ideology, matadorsho, which is challenging patriarchy. So any man or woman fighting for equality between men and women is a feminist. So for us, feminism is not a Western import, and if we want to respect our constitutions, which say men and women are equal, then I think everybody has to be a feminist, because we are fighting for equality. So নারীর চোখে বিশ্ব দেখা, that is what feminism is.
এখন পুরুষও তো বলবে আমার চোখে বিশ্ব দেখো।
No, definitely. But the thing is, for the last 3,000 years, we have only looked at the world through men's eyes. Men have defined religion, men have defined science, men have defined psychology, men have defined history. Because the world is being looked at only through men's eyes, we believe that the picture is half true, and half true is not true. So to complete the picture, so when we talk of women's rights, it doesn't mean we are against men's rights. Men, as gender, men have rights. As poor people, they may not have rights. As minority people, they may not have rights. As Dalits, they may not have rights. But as gender, they have rights. So we want to give women rights so that we are on the same place. So that's what very simple definition of feminism. And of course people don't like feminism because they are afraid of equality. They think, or they spread many rumors about us. আমাকে বদনাম করে. So we as feminists don't want to destroy the family. Actually, by pointing out the violence within the family, we want to protect the family, that please kichu koro to. So we are not following men as feminists, we are following convenience, efficiency and mobility.
Does feminism exist among modern middle class women?
Why middle class women? All the millions of Bangladeshi women are feminists who go to a school, who go to a primary school, all these 90% girls and women who are going. I mean, any woman who breaks the borders of patriarchy. So in Dhaka maybe you have a few thousand feminists, but all over Bangladesh you have millions of feminists. So somehow we in the media think feminism is a middle class thing, which is not true at all. Actually, if you compare Kajir May at home and the Badiwali, the madam, the Kajir May is much stronger feminist. She has mobility, she has strong body language, she takes a bus or she takes a rickshaw and she travels, whereas madam can't live without a car or whatever, and in their dressing and in their talking and all that. So this again is a myth, because whenever you people wish to interview a woman, it's so much easier to interview a middle class woman, to write about a middle class woman, and you will rather not go to a village to interview them. If you see any michil, any demonstration, you will find working class poor women there, not women like us. So I don't think feminism is a middle class phenomena, but for example middle class women having leisure time, that has reduced free time, because earlier they were not working outside, they were only looking after the family and home. They were looking after one job. Today they have 3 jobs. I mean, job outside, job at home, then looking after the children. So to that extent, their freedom has reduced.
It's more complex.
Yeah, it's much more complex. They are doing men's jobs, but men are not doing women's jobs. And I think NGOs who have been giving women income generation activities and all that need to start programs for teaching men how to cook, how to look after children.